What on earth? Truly horrifying. Fasten your seatbelts now. We're about to embark on a breathtaking journey where the titans of heavy industry roar, ready to crush all limits. It starts with a convoy transporting a massive 45.4-meter-long oil refinery tower, weighing several tons. With 500 horsepower engines, the convoy operates powerfully and precisely as it moves these giant industrial components. The Mack truck performs an impressive role with a heavy load of timber. Equipped with a Spicer 5x4 two-lever transmission and a powerful Detroit V8 engine, the Mack easily tackles the challenge. The engine roars, the wheels spin furiously, showcasing the truck's superior strength and durability. The construction site becomes lively with the presence of heavy-duty steel warriors like the Liebherr 960 Demolition, Cat 352NG, Cat 345D, and 3 Warriors from Hitachi. Notably, the Hitachi 870XXL from CAFRO, with its powerful engine, has made a significant contribution to demolition and construction efficiency. Honestly, I don't think he knows what he's doing. The excavator, with its powerful 300 horsepower engine, is working under the river, the crane reaching deep, each scoop being a forceful dig. This is a tough challenge. We are witnessing the truck pulling the Kamaz CH3 through rough terrain with patience and driving skills. With its powerful engine and flexible steering system, I'm gradually overcoming obstacles, ensuring the vehicle can safely reach its destination. Everything has its limits, and when the train derailed, the powerful bulldozer began handling the situation. The cleanup scene was intense, as the bulldozer moved quickly, plowing and clearing the debris, restoring order in the blink of an eye. Oh no, the tractor, weighing around 6,613.86 pounds, was trying to climb onto the raft, but due to its excessive weight and loss of balance, it suddenly tipped over and fell into the sea. The scene unfolded quickly, leaving everyone both surprised and concerned about the situation. It's truly awe-inspiring to witness the Adremet Bay crane lifting the massive truck's cargo. With its superior power and strong engine, the crane smoothly lifts the truck's container over every obstacle, conquering all challenges and showcasing its impressive capabilities. The battle between the Land Cruiser tow truck and the truck is truly intense. Who do you think will come out on top? Will the durability and power of the truck be enough to outmatch the agility and speed of the Land Cruiser? Both have their unique advantages. Next is a truly majestic sight, as the train continues to cut through snow-covered forests, carving a path through the bitter winter cold. The powerful engine relentlessly drives forward, enabling the train to steadily overcome all challenges and safely carry passengers to their destinations. The crane collapses in a controlled manner, completing the demolition task impressively. This is not only a technical success, but also an important milestone, marking the beginning of a new chapter in realizing the limitless potential of the construction industry and sustainable development. Do you believe an excavator can move on water? With a 400 horsepower engine, the Liebherr 984 excavator has broken all limits. This capability allows it to perform mining and construction work in flooded areas easily and efficiently. Wow, what a dramatic scene as the Ford Ranger and Toyota Land Cruiser face off in a tug of war. Both powerful vehicles, engines roaring, their wheels cutting through the dirt, gripping the road firmly. This battle of strength is full of tension, with each vehicle showcasing its superior capabilities.
Come to County Tyrone, they know how to have a good time.
Next, let's see the Kamaz deep in the snow with an overloaded cargo. Despite being equipped with a powerful engine, the truck seems to be stuck in the thick snow, unable to move any further. This is a major challenge for Kamaz performance in such harsh conditions. The Special Escort Convoy SDT, along with the Saren's crane, is moving through challenging routes. The crane, with its superior power, is precisely operated, lifting heavy loads with ease. The perfect coordination between the vehicles ensures that everything moves safely and efficiently. Starting with the heavy-duty mining industry, the water tower demolition work in Minter, Ohio was carried out by B&B Wrecking and Excavation. The Liebherr R960 excavator, with a 350 horsepower engine, facilitated quick, safe, and efficient demolition in complex conditions. Wow, the truck lifted its bed to unload cargo but unfortunately tipped over, standing upright. In this dangerous situation, the excavator quickly came to the rescue. With prompt assistance, the driver safely escaped from the truck, avoiding a serious accident. Are you curious about the power of giant mining machines? With a 350 horsepower engine, the 1989 Caterpillar D11N begins its work in a new scene, exposing the coal seam beneath the surface. During the execution of an important mission, the EKG-5 Ararat excavator with a 450 horsepower engine is being delivered in Armenia. The impressive power of the engine allows the excavator to easily complete heavy tasks, contributing to the development and progress of the area's construction. The flatbed truck is equipped with a 500 horsepower engine, capable of transporting and unloading various materials. The truck is designed to handle loads up to 66,138 pounds, optimizing the transportation process for companies in the food and agricultural industries. With a special mission, the powerful Olivery Transport Convoy, featuring a Bugatti 70,400-pound railcar, is transported by road to the museum. With its high-performance engine, the vehicle easily navigates difficult routes, ensuring a safe and efficient transportation process while preserving the value of the heritage. The impressive journey of two heavy machines, the Caterpillar 395 excavator with a 600 horsepower engine and the Atlas Copco L6 drilling rig, begins at the construction site. They are transported to the mining site, more than 186.4113 miles away, requiring meticulous planning. This process demands careful planning and perfect coordination, with a total value of millions of USD. Facing snow-covered roads, the XSA Snow 285 from Finland is a true lifesaver. With its unique design, this snowplow can be attached to a tractor to drive in reverse, specifically built for clearing forest roads and overcoming the harshest conditions.
Got the bloke speeding the trailers last time.
On the challenging journey, the transportation of massive cargo through Tamworth is an impressive sight. The mighty trucks, engines roaring, drag enormous loads through narrow streets. The escort convoy ensures the safety of each move, providing absolute protection throughout the journey. Next, moving on to heavy-duty transport machinery. The road train at the Cahills Crossing on the East Alligator River continues to utilize powerful engines with high horsepower. These vehicles move smoothly and steadily, navigating difficult terrain and ensuring safety and efficiency in all conditions. It's truly an awe-inspiring sight. With the power of modern snowplows, equipped with strong engines and high horsepower, the convoy works efficiently to clear the roads quickly. This ensures safety for vehicles traveling on the highway. A massive beast weighing tons emerges from the forest, carrying dozens of tons of wood, but still gliding through steep terrain and rough roads. With its powerful engine and superior drivetrain, the timber truck faces no obstacles on its journey.
Лайк, Тёмычу, огроменный лайк.
The scene is truly powerful as the crane, with its strong engine and 350 horsepower, comes to the rescue of the overturned car. The crane slowly lifts the vehicle, the engine roaring loudly, while the cables stretch tight, showcasing the strength and durability of the machinery. Look at that! The Tata truck carrying goods is gliding with exceptional power. Equipped with a strong engine and a sturdy design, Tata delivers stable and versatile performance. The 180 horsepower engine provides smooth operation, adapting to any terrain. You will certainly be impressed by the power of the Liebherr R966 combined with the 70 Malawian Quatch's Trevi Benny bucket in development. Equipped with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, the machine easily handles difficult exploration jobs, such as cutting and moving hard concrete blocks. With its optimized design and flexible operation, the Liebherr R966 completes tasks quickly and efficiently in large-scale projects. Wow! The Tesmec 140-ton trenching machine, combined with the Goldhofer THP/SL trailer and MAN TGX 680 WSK tractor, forms a powerful duo. With its high-capacity engine and exceptional horsepower, the machine effortlessly transports and handles heavy materials. Its special design and advanced technology ensure that construction and mining tasks are completed quickly and efficiently.